Did you know that Poland is home to the world's largest castle by area, the Malbork Castle, and boasts 16 World Heritage Sites? Welcome to the untapped gem of Europe, Poland, where medieval grandeur, vibrant urban life, and enchanting rural culture blend seamlessly. What's even more, this captivating experience doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Poland stands as a must-visit destination that combines rich historical experiences with an appealingly affordable price tag. With just a dash of smart planning and a sprinkling of local insights, you can dive into Poland's fascinating culture, savor its mouth-watering cuisine, and marvel at its awe-inspiring landscapes, all without breaking your bank. Ready to discover how? Over the course of this video, we will unveil a treasure trove of tips and tricks to make your dream Polish escapade a reality, even on a shoestring budget. So, strap on your explorer's hat and ignite your wanderlust. Join us as we unlock the secrets of budget-friendly travel in the mesmerizing world of Poland. The first step to budget travel is finding affordable accommodation. Let's delve the diverse universe of economical lodgings in Poland. This country is a treasure trove filled with a variety of budget-friendly accommodations, each with their own unique charm and allure. First up, hostels, not just any hostels, but popular ones like Greg and Tom Party Hostel and Mosquito Hostel. Previously considered only suitable for the backpacking youth, modern hostels in Poland offer a mix of dormitory-style rooms and private quarters, catering to a variety of preferences. Not only are these places affordable, with average prices ranging between $10.30 per night, they're also a fantastic spot to meet fellow travelers. You can find these hostels scattered throughout Poland, from the buzzing streets of Warsaw to the charming town of Zakopane. Coming up next, we have budget hotels. And when we say budget, don't be misled. Many of these hotels, such as Hotel Polonia, offer amenities like free Wi-Fi and breakfast, and sometimes even an attached restaurant. These hotels might not have the opulence of a five-star hotel, but they offer comfort at a fraction of the price, with an average cost of $40.80 per night. Then there are vacation rentals. These hidden gems offer a home-away-from-home experience. From snug apartments in the heart of Krakow to rustic cottages in the countryside, these rentals give you an opportunity to live like a local. Plus, if you're traveling with a group, splitting the cost can make these options even more affordable, with average prices of $3100 per night. So how do you find these economical stays? Online booking platforms are your best bet. Websites like Hostelworld, Booking.com, and Airbnb offer extensive listings and user reviews to help you make an educated choice. Remember to book in advance, especially during the tourist season. Another useful tip is to consider the location. Staying a little further from city centers can significantly cut down costs. Public transportation in Poland is efficient, and so you won't have trouble moving around. Lastly, don't forget to check for deals and discount codes. Many booking platforms offer them, especially during off-peak seasons. With a little research and flexibility, you can find affordable accommodations that don't skimp on comfort. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the beauty of Poland without breaking the bank. Experience Poland's culinary scene without emptying your wallet. This country is a haven for food lovers, but that doesn't mean you have to break the bank to enjoy it. Let's dive into the world of cheap eats and local delicacies in Poland. First stop on our culinary journey is the local markets. These bustling hubs are not only a feast for the senses, but also a wallet-friendly way to sample the local fare. From fresh fruits and vegetables to local cheeses and cured meats, you can fill up on wholesome, fresh produce without splurging. Next up, street food. Poland's street food scene is diverse and delicious. Keep an eye out for zapiekanka, a Polish-style pizza baguette, or pierogi, the beloved local dumplings. These scrumptious bites won't set you back much, but they will definitely satisfy your taste buds. Now moving on to local restaurants. In Warsaw, check out Bar Mleczny for traditional Polish meals in the range of 15–30 PLN. In Krakow, visit Pierogi u Vincenta, where you can indulge in a plate full of pierogi for around 20 PLN. In Gdansk, Kubiki is a must-visit and offers a range of dishes between 30 and 40 PLN. These places offer generous portions of Polish classics like barszcz, a beetroot soup, or bigos, a hearty stew made from sauerkraut and meat, for of the price you'd pay elsewhere. Finally, consider trying some Polish vodka. It's a cultural staple and can be very affordable, especially if you buy it in a supermarket and enjoy it responsibly. Remember, trying local food is part of the travel experience, and in Poland, it doesn't have to be expensive. Poland is filled with attractions that won't cost you a zloty. This country, rich in history and culture, offers an array of free and low-cost attractions that will keep your itinerary packed without emptying your wallet. Let's start with the capital, Warsaw. This city is home to the Royal Castle, a stunning piece of architecture that once housed Polish monarchs. While there is an entrance fee, the castle opens its doors for free on Wednesdays. The same goes for the Warsaw Uprising Museum, a moving tribute to the city's wartime history, which has free admission on Sundays. Krakow, Poland's second-largest city, is renowned for its well-preserved medieval core and Jewish quarter. It's a city that invites you to wander its cobblestone streets, marvel at the grandeur of the Wawel Castle, or take a reflective stroll through the historic Jewish district of Kazimierz, all without spending a dime. For nature lovers, the Białowieża Forest is a must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the last and largest remaining parts of the primeval forest that once covered much of Europe. Entrance to the park is free, but guided tours are highly recommended and come at a small cost. If you're a fan of art, museums across the country regularly offer free admission days. The National Museum in Warsaw, for instance, is free on Tuesdays, while the Mokak Museum of Contemporary Art in Krakow has no charge on Tuesdays as well. And of course, don't forget about the multitude of free walking tours available in many Polish cities. These tours, led by local guides, are a fantastic way to learn about the history and culture of the places you're visiting. They operate on a pay-what-you-like basis, so you can give what you feel the tour was worth. Remember, the key to making the most of these attractions is to research and plan ahead. Check the websites of places you want to visit for their free days and take advantage of these opportunities. Exploring Poland's attractions can be affordable, even free, making it perfect for budget travelers. Getting around Poland doesn't have to cost a fortune. This vibrant country is well connected through various modes of transportation, and with a little know-how, you can easily explore this gem of Europe on a shoestring budget. First and foremost, Poland's train network is extensive and budget-friendly. Regional and inter-city trains connect major cities and towns, offering comfortable and scenic journeys. For the best fares, book your tickets in advance and consider traveling off-peak. Next, don't overlook the bus system. Poland boasts a vast network of buses that reach even the most remote corners of the country. They're a fantastic way to get up close and personal with the local life and landscapes. Plus, fares are usually a fraction of what you'd pay for a train ride. If you're in the mood for something a bit more active, why not rent a bike? Many Polish cities like Warsaw and Krakow have extensive bike lanes and rentals are readily available. Navigating the transportation system in Poland is simpler than you'd think. Most stations have English signs, and ticket machines often provide an English language option. Don't hesitate to ask locals for help. Poles are known for their hospitality and will typically go out of their way to assist. With a bit of planning, you can navigate Poland's cities and countryside in an affordable way. So put on your explorer hat and let's dive into the heart of Poland without breaking the bank. Before you pack your bags, here are a few more tips to keep your Polish adventure budget-friendly. Let's circle back to the key points we've discussed about how to travel in Poland on a shoestring. First, we talked about affordable accommodations. Remember, hostels and guest houses are your best friends. And don't forget to consider apartments if you're planning a longer stay. Next, we dived into the world of cheap eats and local delicacies. From pierogi to golonka, Polish cuisine is not just delicious, but also easy on the pocket. Don't shy away from street food stalls and local markets. They often offer the most authentic and cost-effective meals. Then we explored the myriad of free and low-cost attractions Poland has to offer. This country is teeming with rich history, stunning architecture, and lush parks. Most museums have specific days or hours when admission is free, and walking tours are an economical way to learn about the local culture and history. We also touched on budget-friendly transportation. Public transportation is not only affordable, it's also reliable and extensive. If you're planning to visit multiple cities, consider getting a rail pass. It's a cost-effective way to travel across the country. Now, here are a couple of bonus tips. Traveling off-season, especially during spring and fall, can save you a significant amount. Accommodations and flights are usually cheaper and popular attractions are less crowded. And let's talk about souvenirs. Instead of buying trinkets from touristy shops, consider local markets and artisans. Not only will you be supporting local businesses, you'll also find unique and meaningful mementos of your trip. With these tips in mind, you're ready to embark on your affordable adventure to Poland. Happy travels! We hope this guide has been helpful in planning your budget trip to Poland. If you found our tips useful, Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow travelers. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more travel guides like this. And we're eager to hear from you. Do you have your own budget travel tips or experiences in Poland? Drop a comment below and share your stories with our community. Your insights might just inspire someone's next adventure. Thank you for watching, and as always, we can't wait to see where your budget travels take you next. Until then, safe travels and happy adventuring.